Marvelus XD Squad, a salute. Hey y'all, I'm back here again with another unboxing video. I know I haven't been on for a while, but I'm back here with another video. So I need y'all to go ahead and go below and like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all hit that notification bell so then y'all know when I post. Also, I just want to let y'all know we'll be posting more often here. Also, E3 is coming up this weekend. So if you want to see it live, come watch it with me. I'm going to live stream it Saturday and Sunday. So just stay tuned for that. Like I said, hit that notification bell and you'll know exactly when I'm going to be uploading, and also when I'm going to start streaming on Saturday and Sunday. So with no further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So this is what I got here. The electric volt Xbox controller. So I'm filming this with one hand, so just bear with me, and let's get to unboxing. So this is the box. As you can see, got the picture of the controller. Also, well, y'all can read that, but see if I can make it more readable for you. It says on there the Android, iOS. Of course, y'all know, if y'all have ever gotten an Xbox controller, y'all know what the box says. It comes with the controller and 2 batteries. That's the back of the box. Hybrid D-pad, share button, wireless, and Bluetooth, and also got the texture grip. And that's just the side there with the controller. So this is how we're going to do it here. So it's one-handed, so just bear with me. And we're going to unbox this. This is going to be a quick video, so nothing long, nothing, too outrageous. So let's just get this tape off. We have only tape that's on here. It is. And I should hold it. And voila, there it is. So I purchased this off of Walmart. Came within about 4 or 5 days. This is the back controller. This is the front. And also comes with the 2 AA batteries, which all Xbox controllers come with. Also comes with the pamphlet here, and also some game pass codes, which I'm going to keep, and whatnot. So yeah, that's it. So I want to thank y'all again for watching this video. Again, we'll be posting more often. Stay tuned for my E3 post this Saturday and Sunday. We'll be streaming it live here on this channel, so stay tuned for that. And until next time. Oh, also, should be doing a live stream also tonight and tomorrow. So just keep up to date. Hit that notification bell so you know when I start posting. Alright, y'all. See y'all next time.